Hello, my name is Ethan Michael Johnson. In this video, I will demonstrate the steps I completed for setting up the Student Success Center environment, including creating users, groups, shared folders, and applying group policy objects. Let's begin. So, step 1, I created all 7 required accounts in Active Directory users in computers. Let me just show you in a minute. Users I open and let me expand this. Right, so in Center Manager, I've created a manager which is Whitney Ngwe, and student advisor. These are the student advisors: Andrew, Elton, Ethan, Marco, and Albert. These are the student advisors, and as you can see again, you can see the members in the security groups. I also created the following created groups, which is advisors, all staff, and manager. So in advisors, let me open. The members are they: Andrew, Elton, Ethan, Michael, Albert. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one required all 5 of them. So they are there. Click on OK. So in staff, every staff member is there. Every staff member is included. So Andrew, Elton, Ethan, Michael, Albert, Whitney, and as you can see, all 6 of them, they are there. And security group, which has the member Whitney as the manager, she's there. So all star, and so the manager contains only the manager, and then the all staff contains both the manager and all advisors. This one, as I've talked about before. Then step number 2, I then added each user to their appropriate groups. As you can see, it's done here. And the 7th, this is the admin backup account. This is the 7th account. I've created it, as you can see here. It is there, and I've added it into the domain as domain admins. So it is like a backup account that you can use. Right, it's an admin account. Yeah. Right. So on the C drive, I created a folder called shares. Let me open File Explorer. File Explorer. Just a minute. File Explorer. Let me expand this. File Explorer. Navigate to this PC. Windows. This is the C drive. So right, exactly. So on the C drive, I created a folder called shares. Inside this is the one. It's called shares. Inside shares, I created 3 subfolders. I created 3 subfolders. So in advising documents, the advising text is there. In advising reports, the report text is there. And I also created this branding. This was for the ensign logo picture. And also I set permissions so that the manager and advisors can both read and write with advising documents. Let me show you. And security, read. This is it. And okay, and sharing. This is the advising documents. Advising documents. Navigate to navigate to permissions. Right. So I've set the manager. Manager has full control, and the advisors, I assign them with the permission of change and read only. right? And on advising reports, properties, security, and sharing, advanced sharing. So these are the advising reports. So the manager again, I give the manager permissions of full control, change and read. Yeah, change and read. So if you were to click here, alright, okay, that's it. So the manager and advisors can both read and write to the advising document folder. All the center manager has read and write permissions all the admin reports folder. This ensures proper access control for each role. Yeah, yes. Step 5. Group policy object that sets the Ensign College logo as the desktop wallpaper of staff computers. I also link this GPO to the correct organizational unit. Let me show you how I did it. Right. So I'll go to choose group policy management. Then I'll expand this. Okay, then that's the right thing. Okay, I think I'll right click on Ensign and create a GPO in this domain and link it here. No. Yeah, I think that's it. Domains. Yeah. No. Right. It's staff. Okay, no. That's not it. Okay, so I've created this staff desktop standardization. Okay, so you right click here, then you click edit. So then you navigate to user configuration and what else? And policies, administrative template, and then desktop and desktop again, and desktop wallpaper, and you see already I've already enabled it here. Let me just click it. Right, so I've added the link to the desktop wallpaper for all the users, and I've clicked enable here, and it's already done. Yeah, this is it, and then click OK. Right, so I'm gonna show you. So okay, as I said before, I created a group project that sets the Ensign College logo as a desktop wallpaper for staff computers. I link this GPO to the correct organizational unit. So when I log in as a staff member, the desktop background is automatically updated to the Ensign College wallpaper. Here you should show the wallpaper on screen, right? And make sure you place the Ensign logo JPJ filed in a location which is domain controller SYSVOR Ensign JPJ, right, before applying the GPO. So I'll show you step number 6, group policy browser homepage, and I also created a group policy object to configure the homepage for Internet Explorer. The startup page is set to the link which was given upon the assignment. Right. Okay, let me show you how I did it. Right, so we'll be using the same GPO that I was using. So here I have to navigate to Windows components, and in the Internet Explorer, and then let me find what I'm looking for here. I can't seem to find it now. What is that thing? Can't seem to find it. There are a lot of things here, so I don't know why. I should have used the other process of clicking those components. Then I'll click on Internet Explorer. Then after Internet Explorer, I'll I'll click on Internet Explorer panel, and then after that I'll click on browse, and here I don't know why I can seem to find it here. I don't know what happened, but I found another way. I found another way. Okay, right, right. I found it. I think I found it. Hmm, it's supposed to be disable homepage something. No, I cannot find it again. Disable is there. Disable change. Disable change. Yeah, okay. Oh, here. Here. Disable change homepage settings. I click on it. Enable. As you can see, I've already entered the link that we're supposed to enter. That we're supposed to enter. Here it is, and everything is enabled. As you can see, it says enabled here. So when I open the Internet Explorer as a staff user, um, it automatically loads the Ensign IT page. Let me show you. Right, so now I'll search Internet Explorer. There it is. Right, so it would automatically load the Ensign IT page, just like this. I think it's done. No, right, it's done. So I also applied a group policy. I applied a domain-wide group policy that enforces strong password requirements. Passwords must be at least 12 characters long. Passwords must include uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. This ensures our environment is secure and meets the requirements. So I'll show you how I did it. Group policy management. I'm opening it again. I'll expand this. I'll expand domains. Right, so I had already created the password policy, just like that. So I'll click on edit, and then computer configuration, and then is it policies and Windows settings, and then security settings, and then account policies, and then password policy. So as you can see, it is enabled here. Password complexity and password length. Yeah, it is. Everything is there. Everything is correct. So on the login screen test, I don't know what happened. If I click sign, if I log here, it keeps showing on my name. I don't know what's happening, but I think I only showed what I could, but the other thing didn't show. So I wanted to show like me logging in using the other stuff. So in conclusion, this completes my setup for the Student Success Center environment. I created all required users and groups and set up folders and correct permissions and forced group policies for desktop wallpaper, browser and homepage, and password security. And I tested logins, but it didn't work for staff members. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. That is what I did.